Hello my loves, welcome back. So today's video is a very different type of video, but it is super exciting. I'm going to be doing a room tour, and can you guess whose room it is? It is
Hi.
Miss S's room. So we have done the past month she's sort of wanted to revamp her room a little bit. So we are going to be showing you her entire room and her closet as well. And we've just got a couple of deliveries that just came, so we're just going to put the finishing touches on the room.
Welcome to my room. Right now we're going to be decorating my bed.
So, as you can see, her bed is completely plain at the moment. These are some old sheets just from Maya. We just like plain white waffle, but to give it a little bit of life, we are going to be adding some things. So a couple of things came in today, the lamp, blankets, some cushions. So let's put the finishing touches to the bed. So we've just dressed the bed and we're really happy with all these neutrals. And Miss S wanted to put one of her favorite bears. What's the name of your bear?
Millie.
Millie. So Millie's actually a handmade bear. We love handmade items. So we kept it nice and neutral. So these cushions are just from Kmart, as I said. But to finish it off, to keep the room cozy and comfy, Miss S loves blankets. So we have got this 100% cashmere blanket. Let's see how big it is. Put it out. Over there. Look at this. It is just gorgeous. So it's got a bit of blue, brown tones, this gorgeous marbled effect. So this blanket is actually from Senreve, and you guys know how much I love Senreve. Like, I use their bags a lot. Actually, Miss S has claimed one for her own. Do you want to grab that?
And also in the previous videos, I've always used it as a backpack, which I really love.
Yeah, so she mainly likes to use this as a backpack. So you guys already know I love Senreve bags. They're really durable, scratch resistant, water resistant, all that, made in Italy. So, and I own several of their bags. So I was delighted when they told me that they're coming up with a homeware range. So just like their bag range, how they source quality materials and it's made in Italy. Likewise, they went to Mongolia because we know Mongolian cashmere is the best. And how beautiful is this? It's so soft, it's so luxurious. So each piece is actually hand dyed. It's hand knitted by small family owned farms. I love that they do that. And yeah, it's just so soft, so comfortable. As you guys know, cashmere is breathable, so it's perfect for all seasons really. And I just love this. I mean, it does come in a couple of other block colors, but this one here, I have not seen anything like this before, this marbled effect. And you know, when I was looking for a throw, because I'm a big person on, you know, having, you know, comforters or a blanket just to finish off dressing a bed, Miss S even loved this, and we thought this would be perfect for her room. So thank you to Senreve for sending this, and thank you to Senreve for partnering with me on this video. I have got a lot of questions from you guys about, you know, about my offer and when my code's activated. And no, my codes are not always activated all the time, but I did get a really good offer for you. So this is not just available on their beautiful cashmere blankets, it's anything on their website. So my favorite, as you saw before, was the Mini Maestra, but any of their bags are so cute. So if you put the code MIM GIFT 100, you will get $100 off your order, and all you need to spend is over $395, which is pretty much any bag and most of their, you know, smaller the goods anyway. So it saves you $100. It's only valid for 3 days only. So if you were after anything from their beautiful homeware line or bags, make sure you use my code. How gorgeous is that? It matches perfectly. What do you think, Miss S? You happy with it?
Yeah.
It's really soft, isn't it? Okay, so I've just flipped the camera around and showing you the bed here. This four-poster bed, we actually got made up like 8 years ago for Miss S, and this is a double bed. We're so glad that we got something made up because we couldn't find anything like this. But if I see anything similar, I'll link it below. And yeah, I'm really happy with how the bed turned out. This painting here of this pink girl, we picked, or did you pick it from the market? Do you remember?
I think you picked it.
I think we picked it. I think Miss Cecil was only 3 or 4, and we thought that was so cute. You guys know I love artwork. And then let's pan across to here. Look at this rabbit. I don't even remember where we got it, but we got this ages ago, but it's wearing a gas mask. And just some odd vases from, I think, Adairs, Kmart. And this little cute unit here is from IKEA. If I know the link, I'll link it below as well, but she just uses that as storage. And this is a little chair here with a cushion that sometimes she just likes to sit and read there. And let's move to this part. So this, I'm not sure if you guys saw my stories, but this is actually from IKEA. She did make it with her brother. They were arguing and laughing, and anyway, siblings, right? And let's go through this, what's on here. This pegboard's from Kmart. And Mrs., do you want to take us through this? What's this?
This is a Miffy lamp, and I had it when I was really young.
Yeah.
And I've always just kept it in my room for more like memories.
Yeah.
And these are my favorite books, the series. It's the Corner Park Clubhouse.
You've read a lot of them, haven't you?
I really like these, so I kept it up here. And these were actually my first flowers my dad got me. My first bunch of flowers, and they were roses, and I just like to keep them there to make me feel happy.
Yeah, it's really nice that you dried them out.
Yeah. And then how about these are just some more odd like plants, and I made this when I was like 6 or something, and I filled it with different colored sands.
Oh, sand.
Yeah.
I remember this. This is always really nice. And let me tell you about this. So these little baby satin slippers, when we had the ultrasound and we found out we were having a girl, my husband and I were so happy. And just next to the ultrasound place, there happened to be a little baby shop. And we just bought these. So before she was even born, I think, where are they from? I think they're from, Ralph Lauren. And we bought these little slippers before she was born.
So tiny.
Yeah, I know. So they're actually even older than you. So we just like to keep that because it was just, one of the happiest days of our lives. And she just uses this storage here just for like PJs and clothes and jackets.
T-shirts.
Yeah. And then if we move to here, this is the oldest piece, and this was in our old house. But tell us the name of this.
It's the Purple Princess, and actually when I was really young, I used to be scared of it.
Really?
Yeah, I used to be really scared of it.
This piece was a piece that hubby and I actually picked up from a local art show. And she did a whole series of paintings. We fell in love with it. And at that time, Miss S's favorite color was purple. So like she said, she was a little bit scared of it, but now you love it, don't you? It is just such an artistic piece. It's a little bit whimsical. She's sort of like thinking. Let's go. Do you want to let's go have a look in your closet. Okay. Let's go in.
This is my closet.
Yes. Do you want to take us through? The light's a little bit yellow. Okay, so her clothes are here.
So my t-shirts and cardigans.
Yep.
And I've got my like really big fluffy jackets that I wear out. These are more skirts right here. Skirts.
Oh, this is a very, very special bear.
Well, yeah, I've had it since I was really young, and I sleep with it every night.
Sleep with it every night?
Yeah.
And who gave it to you?
My brother actually did. He won it, and he gave it to me when I was really young, and I sleep with it every night.
So this is Polly. And then up here,
I've got all my dresses that I wear.
Yeah, these are the dresses.
Yeah.
And then this here is just some costumes. I actually bought this in Korea, the hanbok for Miss S. And these were just some dress ups from when she was little.
And these are some of my hats, and this was actually the most memorable one because I remember when I was really young,
The teddy bear picnic, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
when I was really young, I used to wear it, and I used to wear it on trips, but it doesn't fit me sadly anymore. But we just like to keep it for memories.
Yes.
So I always have that here.
And let's go down here.
And these are my
This
handbags.
is her bag collection. So as you know, these are, inspired by, as you can see, sort of this is like the reissue. So she's got quite a lot of bags. As you can see, the little piggy. So yeah, that's her bag collection.
And if we go over here, these are more of some of the books that don't fit in my bookshelf right here. And these are the books that I've read or I'm reading, and some of these I just like to keep as I said, memories.
Yeah, I mean, Roald Dahl books are so iconic. I remember loving them, and also Babysitter's Club. David Williams is always so popular. So yeah, she loves books. You guys always know she's a little bookworm, so she's got heaps of books there. And then, so yeah, this is her closet. In this center shelf, this is just a few of her favorite toys when she was little. Some of her headbands and jewelry. We'll probably have to give this to her little nieces because
clips and sunglasses.
This is her sunglasses. But this one we'll probably have to give to, our little nieces because she doesn't really wear those hair clips anymore. And then yeah, the drawers. So that is her wardrobe, which is pretty good. I think she's got a pretty good space for all her items. And we have one more thing for Miss S's room because we haven't shown you her side table yet. And
this is the lamp.
Yep.
That just came in today.
Yep, this is from Adair's. Miss S picked it herself. She wanted it to keep it quite simple.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it up together.
So we just added the light bulb. So I wanted to kind of talk you through my bedside table. So this is my devotional that I try to read every night, and this is the current book I'm reading. It's Emily Winsnap, and I've also got an eye mask and some lip balm, and I've also got another one of my pot plants. And this table was actually from Freedom.
Yeah, it was from Freedom.
Yeah.
So that is it, guys. That is Miss S's room tour. Thank you so much for joining us. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a
thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed that, seeing Miss S's new neutral sort of room. And I love that she picked most of the stuff herself, and we saw a little bit of her walk-in closet. And if you want to make use of my exclusive Senreve code, it is
MIM GIFT 100.
Yeah, and that entitles you to $100 off any order of $3.95. So you can get this gorgeous blanket. This is the gate blanket. It's really soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or you could get my favorite, the mini maestra, and wear it and share it if you want. So I will leave all the details in the description box. So thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day or night. We're still in lockdown, unfortunately, but we are keeping positive. Big kisses, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.